Hello guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will walk through week-wise most important topic, questions and their solutions for quiz 1. So let's dive into the video. And if you find this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button because it tells me that I should keep making more such videos. So let's quickly focus on the content of week 2. We have frequency, relative frequency, charts, we have misleading graphs, mean, median and mode. You can expect theoretical as well as numerical answer type question from week 2. And like there are certain topics like frequency and relative frequency that such kind of question will definitely come, trust me. Next, let's just quickly this mean, median and mode we will study in more detail and in more advanced way in week 3. But for now, let's just focus on the content of week 2 only. Okay, so let's just quickly recap the theoretical portion. We have frequency, which is number of times something appears. That means just the number of count, like just count it out. Next, we have relative frequency, which is frequency divided by total number of observation. Then we have degree, which is relative frequency times 360 degree. These three are most important fact or remarks, whatever you could say. Sum total of all frequencies equal to total number of observation, and sum total of relative frequency is equal to 1, and sum total of degree is equal to 360 degree. So this is one PYQ, and as you know that I cannot display the entire PYQ all at once because of copyright. So as you can see that the sum of relative frequency of all observations in a given data set is always equal to 1. As you can see that this is a kind of theoretical question that came, and sometimes they directly ask the definitions actually. So here as you can see that I have mentioned sum total of relative frequencies equal to 1. Let's just try to solve this question in order to build our confidence and also to understand like how well we do know. So I'm just making tally for it. Okay, so what is frequency? Frequency is the number of times something is appearing. Here A is appearing 4 times, so I have mentioned 4 as the frequency of A. So frequency is simply a count. Relative frequency is equal to frequency divided by total number of observation. So here the total number of observation is equal to 10. That means here 4 divided by 10 will be the frequency. That means 0, again 2 by 10 is equal to 0.2 will be the other frequency. So it's 0.4, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2. Likewise, you can calculate relative frequency. Then third, we read about degree, how to calculate degree. So degree was nothing but relative frequency into 360 degree. That means if relative frequency is 0.4, our degree will be, let me erase this part first. If you want, you can skip for like 10 seconds or 15 seconds maybe. Okay, leave it. It's degree. Degree is equal to relative frequency into 360 degree. That means if relative frequency is 0.4, the degree will be the degree will be 144 degree. If the relative frequency is 0.2, the degree will be 72 degree. So let's write it down. What I want to explain here is that if you add the entire frequency, you will get total number of observation. If you add the entire degree, you will get 360 degree. And if you will add the entire relative frequency, you will get 1. Then it's not 10, it's actually 1.0. And if you add entire frequency, you will get total number of observation. So sum total of all frequencies equal to total number of observation, sum total of relative frequency is equal to 1, sum total of degree is equal to 360 degree. Let's just try to solve this PYQ. As you can see that this is for 2 mark, this is a 2 mark question, numerical answer type. Here I hope that the question is visible to you. So we are supposed to find the we are supposed to find the value of x. Okay, so as you can see that here relative frequency and number of books is nothing but frequency only. We know that frequency is something, the count of something, and of course number of books is a count of the book. So relative frequency, as you can see, is 0.1 will be equal to frequency, which is 6 by total number of observation. So first we will try to find the total number of observation. So total number of observation will be equal to 6 into 10, that is 60. Yes, okay. And x is nothing but relative frequency. So again we will find relative frequency using this formula. Now we have frequency as 15 and total number of observation as 60. So relative frequency x will be equal to 15 divided by 60. Yeah, total number of observation, which is 60. 1 upon 4 will give us 2.2, no, sorry, 0.25. So likewise we can calculate the value of x. This is another PYQ. Here we are given a data set, we have value, we have frequency, we also know the mean, and we need to find the value of x. Okay, so we won't be using the ordinary formula, rather we will be using the formula like summation fi(xi) times fi. Let me find the fi(xi) first. So actually, since it's group data, discrete group data, therefore we will be using the mean formula for discrete group data, which is summation fi(xi) times fi. So summation fi(xi) will be x square plus 26x plus 95, then 2x plus 40. Okay, we have mean is equal to 5, which is given. Mean is equal to 5. Okay, next we know the formula for mean. Here it will be summation fi(xi) divided by summation fi. So it's like we all know that mean is equal to sum of all observation upon total number of observation. This is the ordinary formula, but here we are using, since we all know that sum of all frequencies equal to total number of observation. We studied in last lecture only that sum of all frequencies is equal to number of observation, as you can see here. So instead of writing total number of observation in the denominator section, we will simply use summation of frequencies, because sum total of frequency will give us number of observation. So let me quickly erase these things. So summation fi(xi) times summation fi is equal to mean, which is 5. That means x square plus 26x plus 95 upon 2x plus 40 will be equal to 5. Now we need to solve this. That means x square plus 26x plus 95 is equal to 2x plus 40 multiplied by 5. X square 26 plus 95 is equal to 10x plus 200. X square minus 60 plus 16x minus 105 is equal to 0. Now we are supposed to find the root, like it's a quadratic equation and we need to solve for its root. So x plus 21 and then x minus 5 is equal to 0. That means the possible values for x is minus 21 and then plus 5. But as you can see that x is one value of frequency as well, that means x is a frequency, and since negative frequency is not possible, therefore x cannot be minus 21. Now we are left with x is equal to positive 5.